All right, thanks, Sam. Well, Hartford Hospital will be holding some important training coming up, and joining us is Rob Lanouette, Department Consultant for Hartford Hospital Center and Education and Simulation. Rob, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I know that's a fascinating place where you are. Tell us more about the training that you're happening here today at Hartford Hospital Center for Education and Simulation.
Sure. So we're offering an 8-hour tactical emergency casualty care course for our law enforcement partners and first responders as well. Today happens to be from the city of Middletown. The Middletown SWAT team is here with us.
And tell us, what will they train for? How hands-on is this?
It's very hands-on. So over the last year, we've kind of changed our program a little bit to make it more interactive. So they're kind of mixing tactics with medicine is kind of how it goes. So we're teaching them things like hemorrhage control, tourniquet use, the use of chest seals, hypothermia prevention in a tactical setting.
And as a former law enforcement official, talk to us about how important and critical this type of training is.
It's very critical. The training that we give them, not only we also train them to treat themselves. So self-application of a tourniquet, how to take care of themselves, and then also train them to actually assist the citizens of the state as well.
And tell us about how this training has evolved over the years, maybe with technology, with knowledge.
Sure. Quite a few years ago, police were trained when they went into an active shooter, or we call it active killer scenario now. The victims generally laid there and waited lengthy periods of time for fire and EMS to actually get to them. With the training they're receiving here today, they're taught to start that care immediately to cut down on that time.
And do you have like electronic dummies that actually can respond like a body would?
We do. So today we're using 5 great live actor volunteers, but we also use a Trauma FX mannequin. We can have an amputation to their leg. We can have a hole in their chest. So the simulation is great. We also have a canine that we use for our canine partners out there as well. So yeah, we do a mix here at CESA. We do the simulation with the mannequins, but we also do live actors as well.
Interesting. Well, Rob, keep up the good work. Thank you so much for taking time to share this with us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you for